Once your beef and bean mixture is all finished, then all you're going to do is you're going to take a 2-quart casserole dish, and you do not have to grease it. You're just going to cover up the bottom with the corn chips. Then you're going to put a layer of your meat. Alright, once you've got that all down, then you're just going to take your green peppers and you're going to sprinkle them on top. And then you're going to take your onions. Sprinkle them down.